Experience the legacy of the music legend Bob Marley as we delve into the extraordinary story of his family. From his marriage to the dynamic Rita Marley, their beautiful offspring like Ziggy Marley, Stephen Marley, and Damian Marley, this journey takes us through a captivating lineage of musical talent and cultural significance. Explore the fascinating world of the Marleys as we unravel their captivating story right up to the enigmatic presence of YG Marley. Get ready to be mesmerized by the captivating tale of Bob Marley and his extraordinary family. What turns someone into a legend? Bob Marley did more than just sing songs. He started a fire worldwide with his heart-touching reggae tunes. He changed music forever, sharing the heart of Jamaica with everyone through his music that talked about love, coming together, and standing up for what's right. Selling over 20 million albums, he was the first big star from a place not many knew about, making his mark not just with his tunes, but as a hero of culture. Today, his music still reaches out, urging us to come together and heal in a world that's often split apart. Bob Marley started his life in the green hills of 9 Mile, Jamaica, growing from a village kid to a world-famous reggae star. His early life, full of his country's music, prepared him for an extraordinary journey. Marley first stepped into the music scene in Kingston's lively streets, where reggae wasn't just sound, it was the city's lifeblood. In this energetic place, Marley teamed up with Peter Tosh and Bunny Wailer to create the Wailers. This group would take reggae to new heights, their songs mixing clever words with catchy tunes, talking about love, the fight for freedom and standing strong, touching people everywhere. Marley's unique voice, filled with emotion, called out for hope and togetherness, crossing over borders of land and culture. Albums like Catch a Fire and Natty Dread didn't just show off Marley's talent for writing songs, they placed him at the forefront of reggae music. With his music, Marley aimed to heal, bring people together, and inspire, making a lasting impact on music and cultures around the globe. From the lively streets of Kingston, Jamaica, to places all around the world, Bob Marley and the Wailers changed music forever, making reggae beloved by countless people. Under Marley's lead, the band did more than just perform songs. They sparked a movement that changed culture itself. Their music mixed catchy tunes with deep beats, talking about love, fighting against wrongs, and seeking fairness. Albums like Catch a Fire and Burning went beyond just being popular. They turned into songs that people rallied around for making a difference. Their concerts brought people together no matter where they were from, celebrating as one big family through reggae. Marley and his crew led the way in a music revolution that went beyond any border or language. Bob Marley was more than a musician. He was a leader whose songs were filled with calls for action and deep thoughts. Holding his guitar with his dreadlocks around his face, he sang loudly for freedom, togetherness, and fairness. His dedication to Rastafarianism was not just about faith, it was a powerful cry against unfairness, a sign of hope, and a strong reminder of the importance of connecting with African heritage. Songs like Get Up, Stand Up, and Redemption Song turned into powerful tunes for those fighting for their rights and equality. Marley's music stood up for those without a voice, pushing them for human rights and shining a light on the courage and ongoing struggles of people of African descent worldwide. After Bob Marley passed away, his legacy lived on without missing a beat, thanks to his kids, who took over, spreading reggae and more. Ziggy and Stephen Marley made a splash, creating their own songs and getting nods for Grammys, while Damian Jr. Gong Marley brought together reggae and hip-hop, winning hearts all over the world. Each brother and sister added a bit of their dad's spirit to their music, keeping the Marley name tied to beats, standing up for what's right, and bringing people together. This perfect mix of yesterday and today keeps the Marleys' light shining, guiding future generations. Ziggy Marley made a unique mark in music, mixing originality with a nod to his heritage. Starting off with the Melody Makers, a band with his brothers and sisters, Ziggy didn't just lean on his dad's reputation, he took it further. On his own, he released 8 albums covering everything from deep emotions to calls for change. Ziggy's tunes, filled with themes of love and togetherness, have won him several Grammy Awards, proving he's a reggae legend in his own right. Ziggy keeps sharing his family's music story, winning over hearts and sparking new thoughts worldwide. Stephen Marley brings his life to his music, mixing the rich beats of reggae that run in his family with his own spark of genius. Winning 8 Grammy Awards, this son of the famous Bob Marley hasn't just followed in his father's footsteps, he's danced on his own path. As both a brilliant producer and performer, Stephen goes above and beyond with his powerful singing and unforgettable shows. He also makes magic happen for his brothers and sisters and many others, proving he knows how music can touch hearts and bring us together. Whether it's through his own songs or the fresh tunes he creates for others, Stephen keeps reinventing reggae and showing the world that his family's spirit lives on in every melody. Damian Marley, also known as Junior Gong, shines brightly in the world of reggae fusion. Growing up in a family famous for reggae, he brilliantly mixed dancehall, hip-hop and classic reggae into a new kind of sound that touches people everywhere. His album Welcome to Jamrock, which won a Grammy, is a perfect example of this mix, winning people over with its real-life stories and strong beats. Damian's music goes beyond just fun. It starts important talks, breaking new ground in reggae while still respecting his dad's amazing work. With his fresh sound, Damian Marley is leading the way in music, showing that the Marley magic is alive and kicking. Bob Marley's music still echoes today, with his grandkids making waves in the music scene, each bringing their own twist to the reggae sound. Joe Mercer Marley mixed today's beats with classic reggae, winning over fans all over the globe until he sadly passed away in 2022. Daniel Marley mixes his granddad's deep musical roots with today's sounds, creating tunes that everyone, young and old, can enjoy. And then there's YG Marley, bursting onto the scene with new energy and style, ready to keep the Marley spirit alive. Altogether, they keep the Marley music legacy alive, merging the old with the new, making sure the beat never stops. Bob Marley's music and spirit are alive and kicking thanks to his family's talent. They've taken his beat and run with it, each of them adding their own touch to what we can call the Marley music empire. Ziggy brings heart-touching tunes, while Damian mixes reggae with new sounds, showing they're not just keeping their dad's music alive, they're taking it further. They're making it fresh and exciting for everyone, all over the world. Even the newest Marleys, like YG, keep proving how deep and lasting Bob Marley's music is. It's more than just family pride. It's a worldwide wave of love, togetherness, and the magic of music that the Marleys keep pushing forward. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content just like this.